Have you ever wondered what it takes to design and build a town? What are the physical and cultural characteristics that make a town unique? Hi, I'm Tanya Finney. I'm a 7th grade social studies teacher at Waynesboro Area Middle School in South Central Pennsylvania. Let me show you what our class has been up to. In my elective class, we have been working on a unit called Town. Our goal was to explore our local town through cultural, political, economic, and ecological perspectives, and then create our own town using those perspectives. The culminating project was to build a town and name it. Students became town planners and tackled the large questions of resources, waste, recreation, housing, and management. They assumed a role within our town: mayor, town council, business owners, law enforcement, homeowners, recreational planners, and even environmentalists. Prior to actually building our town, students interacted with guest speakers who helped explain infrastructure, water resources, zoning, town council responsibilities, and marketing. Students also practiced writing campaign speeches and voting for our mayor and town council. All decisions about our town were made through public comment and town council meetings. Once votes were cast about our town location and our town name, construction began. Our scale for our town was 1 inch equals 5 feet. Students worked together to create various zones, infrastructures, streets, and commercial and residential buildings. They collaborated on decisions for green spaces, statues, and street signs. They collected all of the town parts, brought them together, and created a final layout and design. Here's some of the discussion.
All worked on certain parts to your town, and we're going to place everything onto our big map of our town. What part of Maine did you decide on? Southern Maine, close to what? Close to the coast. Good. All right, and we kind of decided, or your town council kind of decided, that it was going to be very similar to present-day Bar Harbor, Maine. So you guys chose to do a roundabout. Can someone tell me why we went with a roundabout?
Because that would kind of in the middle we could put our statue, which represents our town, and it will just kind of show that's the center of our town.
Highlight oh yeah, this is the center of our town, and this is a cool thing, a part that represents us.
Some of the names of our street signs: Main Street with an E, Alley.
There's also Academy Lane.
Academy Lane, and what's Academy Lane host? Our schools. Yep. Charity?
Forest Way.
Forest Way is going to lead us out to where?
The National Park.
Oh, what does our statue represent? Alex, do you want to talk about that?
It represents how the town, there you can see there's a cranberry basket, and it represents how our town, farms cranberries for food and stuff.
Okay. And then what is a big event that we have every year centered around the cranberry? Lucas? Oh, what? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. A cranberry drop, and that happens when?
Cranberry fest.
Zone for leaf peeping. What's leaf peeping?
It's when people come and take pictures of the off trees because they're so beautiful.
Because they're so beautiful.
After our town main court was built, students produced a video to market our town to potential businesses, residents, and tourists. They incorporated the cultural characteristics and natural beauty of our town to promote visitation: cranberry industry, seafood industry, beautiful coastlines, and leaf peeping in the fall. This lesson takes a deep dive into the inner workings of a town. Students gained an understanding that there is a great deal of planning, collaborating, negotiating, and forethought that goes into planning and maintaining a town. But let's take a look at what they had to say. Students explored our local community and heard from leaders They created a town and made decisions through town council meetings, which gave them first-hand experience. They demonstrated that there are forward-thinking strategies that towns can use to reduce their impacts on resources. Students gained an understanding of the importance and function of towns as commercial and cultural centers and identified characteristics that make a town unique.